Am I going first?
You go first. I dealt.
Okay, fine. I'm going to hit you with brake horsepower,
Yep.
625.
Beautiful. I've got a 2010 Pagani Zonda R. So my brake horsepower is 740.
Well, that's no match. Well, I'm no match for yours with my X5M competition. So there you go, sir.
Thank you very much. Lovely two-car garage. All right. Lotus Emira. Where do I go with this? I'm going to go ERS wow factor at 7.
So I've got Mercedes SL55 AMG, the latest one actually.
Yeah,
I quite like those.
They're smart.
I quite like those. I wasn't a fan of the older shape, but I do really like those. It also has a wow factor, ERS wow factor of 7.
Okay, so I go
that's a
back to the categories. Now, how am I going to win this?
See, I've told you what card I've got, haven't I? This is the problem. So you know your cars, and
I'm going to go top speed 180.
this is so close.
Where are you?
I'm afraid to say for you it's 183.
Surely you got a speed limit on that.
Brilliant. Thank you. Okay, 1-1. It's me again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got Aston Martin DBX here.
Might as well hand my card over now.
I'm intrigued. I could probably pick anything by now. It's not got a massive wow factor, so I don't think I'm going to go with that. And you wouldn't necessarily say that it's a fast car, but it's not it's not a hyper car. But they're quite powerful. I'm going to go with power. So it's got 542 brake horsepower.
I came close. X3M competition, 510.
Close, very close.
I don't want an X3M
okay.
anyway.
No.
You can have it.
I've now got 2 cars that do the same thing, haven't I now? Blimey. Okay.
Here we go. This is a card I want to win. Not because I've owned it, but it's a bit of a dream car.
Right.
I'm going to go down to the ERS wow factor on the Porsche 911 GT3, a 9. Can you compete?
I could draw with you.
No!
I could draw with you. I don't know if I'm going to tell you what I've got yet, because you're then going to know what to play. I've got an ERS wow factor of 9, but I'm gonna keep quiet about this one.
The problem with the GT3 is its stats actually on paper aren't that impressive.
Yeah, but it's a proper driver's car. Well, it's iconic, isn't it?
Power to weight, isn't it? I wish my weight was on here. I'm going to have to go 0 to 60.
Okay.
3.4.
You've been trumped here.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Literally, you've been trumped. My 765 LT McLaren does it in 2.8. So
I had no chance.
I'm really sorry. Thank you very much. That's a good 2-car. Well, they both do the same thing relatively, but that's a good 2-car garage. So we're down to the last card, aren't we?
Last card. I've got no faith in this.
Okay. So I've got you've got one of these actually.
Am I going to lose another one of my cars?
Well, so I've got an R8 V10 performance here. And
Please go with the wow factor.
I'm gonna go top speed 199.
I've got the RS4, top speed of 155.
Okay, I am sorry.
There you go.
I've nabbed it. Thank you.
At least my Zonda has a value of higher than probably all of your collection.
I'd agree, and to be honest, I would swap the whole lot for the Zonda. You could even keep the BM. I'd be happy with that.
Yeah.